Alright guys, so this video is gonna be about plowing snow today. So we got some snow, not like the one that we got last time, but I guess this one's supposed to be more heavy. I think we're supposed to get about 6 inches. I think it's me and Carlitos right now that I know of. Carlitos should be here in a little bit, I think. So yeah, I mean, it's not that much right now, but it's a little bit. You can see some here, cause I'm gonna let the machines run for a while Carlitos is coming. It's barely 5:50, so I just came in early because there was a lot of traffic over there by me, especially with the snow. The traffic slows down and the freeways are accidents and stuff like that. So I'm gonna turn these machines on for a little bit, let them warm up, and then we'll go from there. There we go. Oh, let's start this one now. That one needs a pin. So I'm gonna go hit the city sidewalks, and then I'm gonna go get the conduits over there. Trying to help Carlitos with the houses. You know, I mean, there's not a lot of cars here, so Carlitos should be done faster. It makes it easier to push the snow. So, cause we got like 3-4 houses on that side, and then there's another one over there, and then we got the house over the conduit. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna wait for Carlitos right now though, and we'll go from there. This is the first year of with my truck in the winter in the snow. She does really good in the snow, man. I bought some new tires in the summer. We're not gonna talk about this though. I hit my truck the other day right here. You guys can see I hit it right over there by my storage, man. It's a concrete pole, man. I just hit that thing. I was so mad, man, but it is what it is. I'm gonna get it fixed, and I'm not in a rush. But other than that, guys, yeah, she be doing good, man. I'm gonna clean out the back of the window of the machine, because it's gonna be hard to see. It's gonna be hard to see later. Sometimes when I back up, I can't see nothing. So yep. Clean up this machine too. This time, about to go plow this snow real quick. I think the machine should be warm up. I'll let it warm up for 15 minutes. I gotta go meet up with Ray because he just called me. He has the fuel card. I just want to have it just in case I need some fuel. One thing I will say, guys, I really do enjoy plowing snow. I really enjoy it. I don't care if I gotta wake up early or that, but I really enjoy it. So I am gonna go get some fuel though. So I'm gonna go pick up that fuel card from Ray right now, and I'm gonna go fill it up right now because I'm kind of low. So that way it'll be a good time to do it right now before it gets late.
Yes, sir.
Hey, primo.
Hey.
Ya le dejé la prendida a la máquina. Ya tiene rato prendida. Ya le voy a empezar a dar en lo mientras, ¿ok?
Órale, pues, yo estoy en la esquina, dijo Tino.
Ok, no, está bien, no hay problema. Ahí le dejé la máquina prendida, ya tiene rato prendida. Ya no tiene que esperarse si quiere. Cuando se va, ya tiene unos 15 minutos ahí parada.
Órale, pues, gracias.
Ahora pues, viejo, ahora te lo miro por ahí como sea.
Ok, órale, pues, viejo.
Ya dijo pues, bye. Ahora. Alright, so I told Carlitos I turned the machine off for him. So it could be, so you don't have to wait, you know, for a while there. Every time I plow, I turn the heater on, and then I open these two windows so it doesn't get foggy inside of here. So Look at guys, I seen the S10 still holding down.
Here.
So, you leaving already? What you gotta do? Yeah. How's the S10 doing?
It's doing good.
What's that?
This is from Grandma. She told me to give it to you and Carlito, but
Oh. Well, thank you.
so, yep.
Sure, thank you. Shout out to Grandma for this gift. That's two?
Here, I think this is
Oh,
it.
man.
Hold on. Oh, either that one
That sounds like some chocolate.
or this one.
What did you want she say?
I don't know. They look the same.
Oh, bro.
They look the same, bro. So we're good.
Let me get the blue one.
When's Carlito coming, you know?
Let me get the blue one. Carlito's already here.
Yeah.
He's on the other side.
Hey, you give it to Carlito. You want to give it to Carlito?
Where am I gonna? No, just give it to him because I can't put stuff inside of there.
Yep.
I'll see you around, Ray.
Yep.
All right, brother. Thank you to Grandma for this gift. See how much it takes this. All right, got a full tank, $30. Well, diesel right now is really cheap. Receipt, yes sir. Got to keep it for the record. All right, now we fill up with fuel. Now we're about to get back to work. And shout out to Grandma for this gift, guys. If you're watching this video, Grandma, maybe you're not, but if you do, thank you very much for this gift. Man, I'm gonna have to put these inside. I don't want it to get messed up inside in here, so I'm gonna put it inside my backpack. Hey guys, let's get back to work. Ah. What? You good?
I'm gonna go see Carlito.
All right, bro.
We'll see what he's doing. I'm gonna give him his gift and tell him to hurry up.
All right, bro.
All right, bro.
Drive safe, bro. I'll catch you tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Yep. Alright, you guys, so I mean, I'm being done with the sidewalks for a while now. They already did that other side of the street, so now I'm just doing this side now. I'm gonna give them a hand and help them out with the houses here. So it's starting to snow again too. So it stopped for a little bit, but now it's starting to snow more. Like you can tell, it's heavy now. But just giving you guys update a little bit what's going on, and yeah, just keep going. Carlito's here. Carlito's over there already. So I'm almost done doing the houses anyways, but good thing he's already here though. Yes, sir. Pasó, primo.
Oyes,
Hey,
va a caer más nieve,
I know.
¿eh?
Ahí viene más nieve.
¿Cómo estás, viejo?
Aquí viene usted.
Oye, hay un hombre en la iglesia, se apuntó ya mal.
Sí, acá también ya está lleno los driveways.
Esperan de 2, 4 más.
I know.
¿Qué quieres que haga? Le empiezo. Allá está, ya también dices, ¿ah?
¿Dónde?
Ya le diste.
Sí, ya ese ya está ahí. O si quiere, pues si quiere avítese los que están grandes.
Órale.
Porque cojo una grande batalla con esta.
Ey.
O como quiera, yo nomás de los chiquitos y ya cuando voy a sacar la nieve para la calle y usted ya nomás al último se la lleva con el ese.
Ahora pues entonces déjale agarrar.
Ya está, pues, primo. No,
Órale, pues.
ya está. Pretty much done. Alright guys, we're pretty much done. Just waiting on Carlitos to finish that spot. I did half of the parking lot. That's it. We're gonna come back at 4:30. Man, by the time we come back, it's gonna be a lot of snow. Yes, sir. ¿Ya está? Pero ya está.
Oye, ¿vas a echar gasolina? ¿Vamos a echar gasolina?
Yo ya le eché.
Sí, préstamela.
¿Quiere la tarjeta? Sí.
¿Para, primo?
Sí, ya está todo. Ya todas ya también ya están.
Órale, pues.
Entonces ya están, ya también ya. Pues ya está todo. Ya más de a rato llegar a las 4:30.
¿Acabaste la troca?
¿Eh?
¿Ya la acabaste?
No, pero ya la desarmé.
Y el video que le estabas quitando, tuviste que cargar la caja.
Oh, sí. Ya la ligué la güey. Mire.
Ah,
Toda la desarmé.
no la hagas.
Y todo eso. Ahora me llegó el tanque, le puse uno nuevo, voy a poner uno nuevo.
¿El tanque?
Me costó como 140.
El de la blanca.
También caros.
Pinche 550.
Es que porque es más grande.
Ey.
Es más grande ese
No,
güey.
lo busqué y le busqué y no.
¿Dónde lo agarró? ¿eBay?
En eBay.
Oh.
Y me metí a ese Facebook Market.
Ajá.
Encontré un cabrón, pero estaba hasta pinche Minnesota. Digo, no, me sale chingada.
Mejor así se lo llevan
Y
a su
luego
casa.
también para estar pagando por adelantado y no te lo mandan los güeyes.
Sí, y mejor ahí seguro si algo pasa, pues. Ya. Solo pues, primazo.
¿Estás grabando, hijo?
¿Eh?
¿Estás grabando?
Sí.
Bien.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was pretty much what we did today. Plowing some snow. So that's pretty much on my day what it was. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content with the truck. Got some other videos coming soon. So I'll catch you guys at the next one, guys. Alright, thank you.